So this is a job that we're doing in Princeton, New Jersey. We are ripping out this whole old furnace, ductwork, fiberboard ductwork. It was originally extending. This stuff is horrible to work with. The fiberglass, very bad to deal with. Breathing. It's really uncomfortable to work sometimes. Unfortunately, this is up in an attic, and this is the best time to do it. So it is January the 2nd, 2024, and we are ripping out this whole system and installing a whole new zoning for the first and second floor area. Stay tuned for the next zone.